Thermo TSU series Undercounter refrigerators come with a factory set point temperature of 5 degrees Celsius. To change it, press Menu, then use the down arrow to find Change Set and tap OK. The display will flash the actual temperature set point, which you can change in increments of 0.1 degrees Celsius by tapping the up or down arrows. Once you've selected your set point temperature, the display will ask you to confirm by tapping OK or Exit by tapping Menu. We should note something here about vaccine storage. NSF 456 compliance has been tested at the factory set point temperature. If you change the set point temperature from 5 degrees Celsius, NSF 456 compliance is not guaranteed. When you change the set point temperature, the refrigerator's alarm limits automatically adjust accordingly. So now is a good time to look at how to change the low and high temperature alarms. Alarm limits are present at 2 degrees Celsius for the low temperature alarm and 8 degrees Celsius for the high temperature alarm. Let's start by setting the low temperature alarm. Go to the menu and tap the service button. Tap OK to confirm. Use the down arrow to select the password 255, then tap OK, and use the up and down arrows to locate the parameters option. Tap OK to confirm your selection of parameters and use the up arrow until you reach P02ALL equals 3. This means the low temperature alarm limit is your set point temperature minus 3 degrees. Tap OK and the preset value will start blinking. Use the up or down arrows to increase or decrease the value relative to the set point temperature. Confirm by tapping OK, and the low temperature alarm is set. To set the high temperature alarm, tap the up arrow until you reach P03ALH equals 3. This means the high temperature alarm limit is your set point temperature plus 3 degrees. You can change and confirm the high temperature alarm in the same way we set the low temperature alarm. Let's look at the refrigerator's minimum and maximum temperatures. These values are continuously monitored by the unit's S1 probe, stored in memory and displayed in the special min-max frame on the display. To reset or confirm the minimum and maximum temperatures and help ensure that they are being monitored and recorded, tap Menu and use the up and down arrows to find the min-max function. Tap OK to confirm. The display will show the values recorded. Tap the up arrow to access the value reset function. Confirm by tapping OK, and the display will flash confirmed and restart monitoring. We should note that minimum and maximum temperature updating will not be active during a door opening and not for 4 minutes after the door has been closed. Updating will also not operate during defrosting, dripping, and the entire recovery phase. TSU series Undercounter refrigerators are equipped with automatic intelligent defrosting. This feature reduces the number of daily defrosts and can help conserve considerable energy. However, manual defrosting may still be necessary. To check the display for manual defrost, select Defrost from the menu. If manual defrost cannot be enabled because the right conditions have not been detected, Access Denied will display. It's also possible that a manual defrost can be delayed due to preset managing parameters. In this case, Waiting Defrost will display. If neither of these messages display, the defrost will proceed. After the manual defrost, dripping and recovery functions will proceed until the refrigerator recovers its set point temperature. The backup batteries power the display for approximately 48 hours to monitor alarms in the event of a power failure. We should note that the backup display batteries may drain if the battery switch remains on continuously during a power failure or when there is no power supply. In the event of a short-term power failure, 2 minutes or less, no mains will display, alternating with the main display. A buzzer will sound and the display will flash. You can mute the buzzer during a short-term power outage by tapping any button. In the event of a longer-term power failure, mains failure will display, alternating with the frame of the selected mode. The buzzer will sound and the display will flash for 5 minutes, then stop buzzing and flashing, and then start again after 15 minutes. Buzzers will not sound if muted. If the battery is disconnected, the battery switch is in the 0 position, or the battery voltage is less than 2 volts, no battery will display and the battery connection will need to be verified. If battery voltage is less than 7 volts, battery failure will display, and you will need to replace the backup display batteries. See our care and maintenance video to learn how to replace them. Understanding the information and functionality available from the display of your TSU series Undercounter refrigerator will help you optimize its performance and value. For further details, please refer to the refrigerator's user manual or contact Thermo Fisher Scientific technical support with any questions you might have. Thank you for watching. Visit thermofisher.com/TSU to learn more.